Hello everybody, I'm Andrew.
And I'm Phil.
And today we're paying homage to Ian Fleming's James Bond and the Aston Martin car brand.
To tie the two together, we're going to come up with a non-alcoholic martini that we're calling the Aston Martini. So stick around. Welcome back everybody. So as we mentioned in the intro, we're going to be celebrating the Aston Martin brand and tying it in with James Bond by making ourselves a little non-alcoholic martini. So let's get this out of the way. Do you have a favorite Aston Martin?
Yep, the Aston Martin DBS V12.
Yep. I agree with him. That's the one you would recognize from Casino Royale, I believe. The iconic one, if you're not really a car person or no, is the DB5. That's the one from Goldfinger. I think he even brings it back out in Skyfall.
Yeah, I think it is in Skyfall, yep.
Yeah, so Aston Martin is, last we checked, and we could be wrong, let us know, is owned by Ford. Surprised me when I heard that, but it might not be true now. But so they've been, most people tie them heavily with James Bond. That's just, in pop culture, that's what they know Aston Martin for. So we figured why not tie the two together and come up with a non-alcoholic martini. So reminder, when we do this segment, we've never tried this before. We just come up with the ingredients and cross our fingers hoping for the best. We've gotten lucky. A lot of our drinks have turned out pretty decent. This one, I'm not so sure. We're about to find out. So a regular martini is, or a vodka martini is vodka, vermouth, stirred in ice with olives. Ian Fleming invented the Vesper Martini in the Casino, I believe it's Casino Royale, the book, which James Bond drank. It was a stronger martini. It had like 3 ounces of gin, vodka, Lillet Blanc aperitif, and he always wanted it shaken, not stirred. Obviously, that's the line.
You know, yep.
So we are going to make our martini shaken. So here's the ingredients we have. We went with trying to find ingredients that go with like a sort of match up with a martini. So it's kind of difficult. We want to keep it light, something crisp. So we were going with some white grape juice. We've got, as British as we can get in a bottle, Gold Peak green tea. Not very British, but again, we want to keep things light. We want to make something that is easy enough for you to make at home if you want to. So, and then lastly, we've got this zero sugar lemonade vitamin water. All right, so.
And don't forget what we're garnishing with.
Yep.
We're going to be garnishing with lemon twists. So we'll show you some B-roll footage of me making this for the first time.
Yep.
And then also the famous olive, to go with the martinis. And then we're going to see how this tastes. This may be the first flop that we have,
Yeah, and again, a reminder, it's, we know there's a lot of you who don't drink, and so you're watching James Bond, you make it, order in the movie, and you're like, I kind of wish I could try that, but I don't really want to drink. That's what we're here for. We're going to help you out. So we got our shaker chilled with ice. Now, I think we came up with, as far as measurements, let's see, we did 2 ounces of
the green tea.
We're going to do 2, so we need 4 ounces of green tea.
So 1 drink is 2 ounces. 2 drinks, you're making it up, it's going to be 4 ounces.
Let's do this. It might get a little messy here. All right. Just give me a second. Just got to get 4 ounces here. 2.
3.
When's the last time you had a martini?
And 4.
When's the last time you had a martini?
Long time.
Okay.
Been a long time. Because honestly, I don't really like the taste of it. It just basically kind of tastes like pure rubbing alcohol the last time I had one. So.
All right, so 4 ounces of green tea. That's a strong smell, I'll tell you that much. Now 2 ounces of white grape juice. Getting a little heavy there in the shaker. And now 2 ounces of whatever this is. Zero sugar lemonade.
Vitamin water, right?
Yep. Mm-hmm. Vitamin water lemonade.
I'm curious how clear this is going to be.
Yeah, we wanted the thing to be, we wanted to kind of look as close to a martini as we could get, but with the ingredients, we were kind of worried that it was going to get a little, there are dirty martinis and stuff like that, so And in the end, it doesn't matter. It's our thing. So
Exactly.
now, I haven't shaken anything in a while.
We make the rules here.
That's right. Shake it till it's chilled.
There we go.
How long do you usually shake stuff for?
30 seconds is usually
Where are we at?
the gold standard. I have no idea.
All right.
But we'll say 30 seconds right now.
All right.
Your arm's tired?
Nope. But it's fizzy.
Good.
All right. You ready?
How's that happen? All
Here
right.
we go.
How clear is it?
That's not too bad.
Not too bad. No. Kind of reminds me of Sprite in a way.
Yeah. We
But,
wanted to make sure we went non-carbonated because we wanted to shake it.
Man, that was perfect.
Woo!
Perfect measurements. We literally shot from the hip on these measurements, and look at that.
right.
It fits the martini glass just perfect.
All right, you ready to garnish this thing?
And then, yep. So garnishing it will be very fun here. So we got the lemon twist here. Dun dun.
Yep.
And then dun dun. And then
We're adding 2 garnishes to this one.
we got the olive, the famous olive. Drop that bad boy in there. And drop it on into there.
All right, look at that.
And there you have it. The
Aston Martini.
Martini. Wow, that actually is a lot clearer than what I thought it was going to be.
I know.
This actually looks pretty good and pretty dang close to a martini.
All right, so let's find out how these ingredients come together. So I'm going to play the British national anthem, which is British Bulldogs theme song from the 90s. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's check it out. Bing.
Huh. It's a little...
It tastes like, what does that taste like? It tastes like, how do you say that? Acai, like grapefruit or something like that?
I'm not sure, but it's sort of a... It's got a strong hint of this sugar-free lemonade, which is what I'm getting. You can kind of...
You can taste the green tea.
Yeah.
But it
isn't...
tastes,
It's not bad.
no, it tastes like, was it acai blueberry?
I'm not sure what that is.
Vitamin water or something. It's like
this?
acai. Yeah, it's like acai blueberry that I've had before. It's, it's not bad.
It's very, very light.
I was a little nervous about this one.
Yeah,
but
I'm surprised
pretty
surprised
good.
they don't clash as much as you would think. Maybe I'm the one overthinking it, and they aren't clashing. Maybe you wouldn't imagine them clashing, but I thought so.
That's out of the way. But yeah, it's actually a pretty looking drink
Yeah,
with those garnishes in there and stuff. Looks very classy.
we were going for a citrusy taste, and that's what we're getting.
Yeah, it's
Now here's a question. We should start doing this. What would you do if you could improve on this, knowing now what it tastes like? Is there anything you would do?
For the taste, honestly, I'd probably add a little bit more like a grapefruit maybe.
Because it's
Like a little bit of a grapefruit juice to it, just to give it that more kind of citrus zing, you know?
Yeah, it's a little light, a little too light in flavor. So it just needs a little stronger of whatever citrus taste you want to go for.
Yeah.
If you make this and you choose your own ingredients, you're going to want that to be the strongest thing because I don't know where it's pretty light on the. It's got a very watery thing to it. I don't know how to describe it.
Yeah, which that's, I think, just using the green tea more is what it is.
Yeah. Ooh.
But
So, not too bad, you know. So far, we haven't made anything that has really made us retch,
yeah,
sick.
like
Any?
want to throw up or nothing. But yeah.
It could always go much worse.
Oh, yeah, for sure. But yeah, this isn't too bad. I'll tell you what else isn't too bad.
The Aston Martin?
The Aston Martin, yeah.
Just
and the
in
way
general,
that
I should
looks.
say.
So, but I just like the DBS V12. I like the way it looks. It's like, it is a supercar or an exotic car, but it doesn't have like all of the exaggerated flash that like, you know, a Lamborghini Countach has or a Ferrari F12. It's just, you know, it's elegant, it's sleek, it's got all of the luxury features in it.
Even the Vulcan, which is their hypercar, still is fairly understated in its design. It's not over the top.
And another thing that I bet you didn't know, Phil, is that whenever you buy an Aston Martin, you get to go to the exclusive Aston Martin Club too as well. They have them in different cities, and all they do is you show them your Aston Martin key and they let you in. And
inside they serve you Aston Martinis.
Yep. Maybe we can get that on the menu.
Ooh. So hit us up, Aston Martin. We made a drink just for you, well, and everybody else, but celebrating you.
Yep.
So, you know, you get it in the club. Maybe you hand us a set of keys for our cars.
Yeah, I'll take a used one.
I will take anything you give me.
Be very nice. So, as always, everybody, if you like what you're seeing and want to see what we come up with next, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell so that you get notifications whenever we come up with new videos. So we got new videos that post every Saturday at 8 a.m. Central Time Zone.
Yep. And again, let us know if there's a car or something you want us to make a mocktail of, and we will do it. But as for now, here's to Aston Martin, it's to James Bond. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.